what type of welding will they require, uh, that will tell about. Now, look, there are some a lot of joint you have seen everywhere. You will find any machine, any components. Suppose you want to join the two components attached together. That thing you should join two components or two frames, two members by different way. Different way you can make a joint. What is the different way? Some joints are permanent, some joints are flexible, some joints are semi-flexible. Okay, so a lot of discussion is about probably in the second year. There's a lot of discussion about the different kind of joint, about the fasteners. That will be discussed later on. But at least few things I like to tell you. This welding is called a permanent joint. Permanent joint means that joint cannot be separated so easily. Okay, either you have to break the two components, or you have to dismantle the thing. Okay, or you have to just obsolete to it. So this kind of joint, you have to make sure that this kind of joint, what is the strength of the joint. As a mechanical engineer should know what type of joint. That means even that for your permanent joint, there are some guidelines, there are some way out. The some joints are weak, though they are permanent. Some joints are very strong. Some joint may be made very strong, may be made stronger, depending on the different process that I'll tell you time to time. Now, two types of, normally the two types of permanent joint is mostly in engineering you will find it. One is the riveted joint, another is the welding joint. Okay, this welding joint have widely used nowadays, and riveted joint probably that will be discussed in some other class, though that is not there in this class. But riveted joint also a permanent joint. There are two types of rivet. One is hot process, cold process. When the probably the next semester will be know about it. Now about the welding joint, where we should go for the welding joint. Let's see. Have you seen that the big pipelines? Uh, have you seen the big pipelines? Water pipeline? Water pipeline about, yes?
Yes, sir.
Where you find it? Where? Tell you.
স্যার ওই যে জলের যে ব্যারেজ গুলো হয় না সেখানটায় দেখেছি, মানে ওই
কোথায় কোথায় নাম বলো, কোথায় দেখেছো?
স্যার আমাদের এখানে জলের ব্যারেজ আছে আর কি, মানে ওই স্যার গেট, জলের যে গেট গুলো হয় না বড় বড় ড্যাম ওই
what is the diameter, how is the diameter of the each of the pipe?
স্যার আমার থেকে বড় হবে, মানে আমার হাইটের থেকে ডায়ামিটারটা বড় ছিল।
That means that pipe is so large that you can walk through, isn't it?
Yes sir, yes sir, 6 ফুটের উপরে হবে।
Yes, Shubhra Nashkar, you are absolutely correct. So about 1.5 to 2 meter, 2.5, about 3 meter pipes are also available. Okay, nowadays if you see this, anybody is nearby where, that is the BT road, BT road on construction, that is the roadside BT road. Along the BT road side you will find it, Backfoot and the Dunlop area. There is a big diameter pipe is installed on the road itself a few years back, if you have noticed or not. Okay, I will come back to later again. Now this water piping or some gas pipes, some industrial pipe, there's two processes that I told you. One is the riveted, another is the welding. Riveted joint have some what do you call, some impurities and some difficulties, and some leakage also occurred in welding, riveted joint. So riveted joint, welding joint, permanent joint, but it is hazard free, it is strength enough. So nowadays we will find it in primitive days, earlier days. Modern technology will that is a welding joint, not the riveted joint. Though riveted joint is very easily can be done, but it is not nowadays. It is not been done. Welding joint is more useful. Uh, that pipeline in the Suez Canal, in the pumping station, that you will find it that Noskov is already told that. And if you have visited where any Bombayite, have you visited any uh, Bombay side? Any one of you? No. Okay. So the supply water line mainly, or if you have visited the Tala Bridge, Tala tank,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tala tank, you will find lot of pipes are there. But even then, is in Bombay there are 5 lakes, 5 big lakes in where they are using as a water reservoir. That water from these 5 lakes is distributed throughout the year in the entire city. 5 lakes. One is the Tulsi Lake, and another big is the Powai Lake. The Powai Lake is very beside to that is IIT Bombay. So I was very close to that. We used to visit the Powai Lake. That pipe you will find about 1.5 to 2 meter diameter. So all the pipes, the big pipelines, not a single pipe. There are a number of pipes parallelly seated together. About 5, 4 or 5, 6 pipes parallelly seated together. So that pipe is made. How that pipe is made? That pipe is made through the sheet metal. That means a plain sheet metal having some thickness, uh, will uh, first. I'll not tell about the manufacturing aspect, how the pipe is bent, how it is made rolled, and how the welding process, that I'll tell you. What is the welding process, that I'll tell you. Now, when the the sheet metal is bent, then welding is done. That probably I'll show you. I will show you. Now, this piping system, will have the several orientation, several ways that could be done. Okay, Priyanshu is joining. I'll join him. Now, this welding joint, not only the pipes, some other use also. Okay, this other use means there are some others which, suppose long installation, suppose a structural joint. You have seen the Howrah Bridge. Howrah Bridge is that joint that is not the riveted, that is not the welding joint, that is a riveted joint, and some are bolted joint. Bolted joint is not permanent. Okay, it is the flexible joint that you can open it up. Now, riveted joint is permanent. Howrah Bridge will find the riveted joint. So this kind of structure, any big installation, mostly it is done by nowadays done by the welding joint. Now the shipping corporation of India, now shipyards, you will find in the why they will make the big shell, that is of welding joint, not the riveted joint. Riveted joint cannot guarantee you for the leakage, but welding joint will give the full proof of leakage. Okay, that is leakage free. Now, there are a number of use for the welding joint. Now there are different types of welding that normally you will know, that is arc welding. That is what you have seen in the videos. Okay, arc welding that you have seen, and there are different type of arc welding also available. That is probably Professor Nondi has already stated in your video that what are different types of arc welding. Okay, one is the submerged arc welding, another is the fusion welding, and there are the number of welding is available in welding section, different kind and different types. Okay, now how to join and what to join. What is a different technique? Just I will share something. Just wait for some time. I will draw and tell you. Okay, is it visible? The screen is visible?
Yes, sir.
All of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see.
Sir.
Yes. It is visible? Okay. Now, see, I'll draw the how the welding is done, and piping I'll come later on. That is the mostly used. You will find the pipeline. Let's see. Suppose the two jobs, two components. Let's say, Shayok, can you tell me if the drawing is done? Drawing is done about your manual drawing about how to draw top view and front view of an object.
Yes, sir.
Okay, then you can understand it. So I am drawing the top view of a component. Let's say component is like this. Okay, another component may not be the same size or same. It should be the same thickness. This will have some thickness. This will have some thickness. Okay, I can show you the pictorial view. That is isometric view. That it will be more clear to you. That shows the thickness of this object or component. Let's say this is another one. Okay, these two components should be joined together with the help of welding. Okay, what kind of joint is this? Suppose if this teeth they are face to face. Okay, I can join this and this. This another. This one I am not. I am just showing the top view of this, not the entire view. Now this is called V joint. That is called. One is overlapping the another. Let's say this.
Sir, someone is trying to join.
Okay. No one. I find no one.
But he's trying once again.
I find no one. Okay. So look. This is one is overlapping the another. This is having the face to face. This will have butt joint. Butt joint. This will have lap joint. Okay. This one is the butt joint. This one is the lap joint. Okay. So
Sir, lap joint কি বললেন?
Okay, দাঁড়াও, just a minute. Lap joint is one component is suppose if I place this one is over to this. That means one component is putting another component. One is overlapping another. Look, okay, I'll show that 3D view, then you'll understand it. Just wait. Just wait.
So someone is trying to join.
Wait, wait. Okay. Okay, is it okay? Now, look. Okay, did a mistake, or mistake, mistake. Wait. This board is very sensitive. So I'll draw this on first. Otherwise, finding difficulties. This is the first component. Okay, so look at this one. That means they are face to face having some small gap. This and one component, suppose this is one, this is number specimen number 2. Specimen number 1, specimen number 2. Is it clear to all of you? These two are, that means side by side, and that one is overlap to another. That is called the lap joint. That one is, so that one is your lap joint. This one. That one is lap joint. That means one is overlapping. The one component is overlapping another. That is called the lap joint. This is called the butt joint. Now, butt joint will have, that means if, and these are called the parent material. That means these two objects 1 and 2 will be joined together. That is, and the material of these two are called the parent material, and has to be the same type of material. May not be the same thickness, but has to be the same material. Now, how to join this? That means if I melt side by side to this and put together and reduce the heat, that is called the fusion welding. That means with the fusion welding, there is no daughter material to join it. But arc welding, that we have seen and we are going to show, that is the another material will be introduced, that is called the daughter material. Will come from the electrodes. What is the electrode? That I'll discuss later on. Now this tool could be joined together. Two types. Okay, I'll put little closer to this. Otherwise, little closer. Okay, now these two would be joined together, and this, see, if I draw two lines, that means I am doing the 2D only. That means if you view from this side, I am talking about the thickness. This is a specimen 1, this is a specimen 2. Okay, is it clear? Now, if I start from this, welding from this side, that you have seen in the video, welding from the top one, that means welding is done over here, that is like this. That welding, it looks like a V, so that is called the V weld. That is called the V weld. It could be double V. That means from the top if you weld it, and from the bottom if you weld it. This is called the double V. Double V. This is called single V. If you do on the top, and if you put it from the bottom, that will call the double V. Wherever double V is not required, that means strength is not so much required for the joint, so we'll go for single V, otherwise double V. There is no possibility of triple V. Okay, so a single V or double V. Now another is called the fillet joint. F-I-L-L-E-T, fillet. That means here, see, in that case V and double V is possible. In that case, that V weld is not possible. In that V weld is possible, but normally it is called the fillet joint. That means welding from this side is this. That means this portion. This portion is welded. This portion. From this side also. That means this side is welded. This side, this from bottom it is welded. That is called the lap joint fillet weld. Fillet. Okay. This is called the fillet weld, and this is called the V weld. This is fillet joint. This is the V joint. Now, it is called the lap joint, butt joint. That is, welding is the V weld, and that is the fillet weld. Now, this joint, about the fillet joint and the V, double V, single V, that depends on. See, in that case also you can go for fillet joint. How will you go for fillet joint? In that case, you can put a plate over this, which will cover, that is called the cover plate, which can cover both the plates, and weld from this side, weld from this and weld from this side. So this without first it is done the V weld, then another top plate that is called the cover plate, or it can be called as the strap plate. Okay, so to put it more strength on this joint, so you after V weld we can go for the fillet weld also using a cover plate. That cover plate could be the double cover, that means from the bottom also we can put another cover plate, so to make this joint so stronger. Now this joint is
এই কভারটা বলুন, কভারটা কি বললেন যে বুঝতে পারলাম না।
yes বলো,
ওই যে কভারটার কথা কি বললেন, উপরে যে কভার
শুনতে
দিয়েছেন,
পাচ্ছি না, জোরে বলো।
ভাই কভারটা, এই কভার জয়েন্টের কথা যেটা বললেন।
হ্যাঁ কোনটা বললে?
হ্যালো স্যার, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ এবার শুনতে পাচ্ছি, বলো।
হ্যাঁ, ওই যে কভার জয়েন্টের যেটা কথা বললেন আর কি।
হ্যাঁ, cover plate, that means it is the third cover plate, that is the another type of plate which is, দেখো, these two plates, this plate and this plate are face to face together, and if you use another plate over it which will overlap both the plates, plate number 1, plate number 2, the plate number 3 is called the strap plate. Is it clear now?
হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু ওটা তো মানে উঁচু নিচু হয়ে যাবে তো স্যার।
হ্যাঁ উঁচু নিচু হবে, এ তো হবেই, এর একটা থিকনেস আছে, বাট thickness of this strap plate is little less than the thickness of this. এটা যদি T হয়, এটাও T হবে thickness, and this plate will have absolutely 0.80, 7 to 0.80 about the strap plate thickness. এগুলো তোমরা that will come to know in the probably in the first class. Okay, design 1 they will tell you about all this. Okay,
স্যার কোনটা স্ট্রেংথ বেশি হয়?
তুমি বলো, এবার বলো, that is my question, either this one or this one are using the cover plate.
স্যার কভার প্লেটটা বেশি হওয়া উচিত তো মনে হচ্ছে।
Yes,
স্যার আমার
exactly.
কি মনে হয় কভার প্লেটটা সবথেকে বেশি হবে।
অবশ্যই বেশি। ভি বয় সবসময় ফিলেট জয়েন্ট ইজ দ্যাট জয়েন্ট এফিসিয়েন্সি ইটা is normally you will find in that case if it is 70%, so VOL will have about 90%. So VOL joint is more stronger than the fillet weld, a lap joint, fillet weld. Okay, double V will be stronger than this, and if you use the cover plate, it will be stronger, so stronger. That depends on what type of joint. Suppose you are using, you are manufacturing a boiler shell. Boiler shell টা কিভাবে জয়েন করে? Boiler is used to sustain high internal pressure. বুঝা গেল? High internal pressure. Or suppose a shell will be used to in where high explosive, let's say in atomic energy, atomic research center, not atomic boiler, atomic, it is not called the boiler. Okay, in the atomic power station, okay, where the most vulnerable for blast, okay, having that thickness, that is steel, that thickness is about 25 centimeter. That thickness they use for reactor. Okay, a reactor in atomic energy reactor, so they use about 25 centimeter thickness. That you can imagine how much thickness it is, and that is still is pure steel. That only manufacturer of this kind of steel in the world, only in Japan, not any other country. Okay, so if you have visited, any of you visited Visakhapatnam on Vizag, have you visited? On companies there, they used to make our different kind of big installation. Okay, normally the heat exchanger, probably you will heard it in the second year itself. You will heard what is the heat exchanger, what a heat exchanger is that. The heat exchanger will have big diameter, where the heat exchanger, that from the dictionary meaning you understand it, exchanges the heat, that you understand. So they are using this kind of steel, will have more thickness. That I told you is the atomic reactor. They are using about this type of thickness, so much of thickness. So they have to use, first is double V, then both cover plate. Okay. So having this kind of joint is also possible. But wherever suppose in case of pipeline, so okay, double B is enough. Double B is enough. Okay. Suppose for the small pipe, single B is enough. Even fillet joint is enough. Okay. Is it clear? Okay. Next. Any questions so far? I'll remove
স্যার
it.
তাহলে কভার প্লেটটার বেশি স্ট্রেংথ?
Yes, cover plate দিচ্ছি না, extra cover plate দেওয়া হচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে।
এইবার দেখো, let's say a pipe, suppose দেখো a pipe will have some thickness. Okay, this pipe is cannot be made by welding, that will be made by casting. Casting is not possible to make the casting. Even you can say this can be manufactured by casting. See, casting probably from the next workshop you will come to know casting strength is less than the sheet metal strength. Suppose this is a metal sheet, that means this means having some endless. So this, okay, I have shown you the thickness is little more. I'll reduce the thickness. Okay, so now this could be bent. You bend like this.
আচ্ছা টরশনের কথা বলছেন?
না না, not torsion.
স্যার শীটটাকে বেন্ড করে পাইপ বানিয়ে দেবেন তো?
হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ,
সিটটাকে বেন্ড করে পাইবো না। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা,
সিটটাকে বেন্ড করে পাইপ বানানো। সিটটাকে বেন্ড করলে এরকম দাঁড়াবে। তোমরা ধরে নাও, you consider this will be very close to each other. That means that gap will be very minimized. Suppose 1 mm, 1 to 2 mm gap is there. Okay, sometimes some of the cases you will not find any gap. And গ্যাপটা আমি দেখিয়েছি to show this is bent together. A bending process that I am not going to tell you. If the time permits, that I'll do how to bend, the different process of bending. So now, once it is bent like this, then welding is done. Welding is done. It is done. That is the V weld. Okay. At a V weld throughout this is done. It can be made fillet weld also. So let's say this pipe is overlapping. That means one part. আরেকটা করে একটু দেখাই। Now it is clear to you. That is, if I weld this section that I told you, the fillet joint, fillet weld.
স্যার ফিলেট ওয়েল্ডে তো তাহলে এক্সট্রা মেটেরিয়াল লাগছে তো আবার।
কেন এক্সট্রা মেটেরিয়াল লাগছে? এই যে আমি দেখো এই পাইপটাকে একটা
Overlap
পাইপ উপর দিয়ে
করবে
ফেলে
না।
দিয়েছি, পাইপটাকে বেন্ড এমন করেছে, নট ফেস টু ফেস বেন্ডিং। আরে বাবা, এইটাকে একটা কাগজ নাও, হাতে একটা কাগজ নাও, টেক এ পিস অফ পেপার এন্ড ট্রাই টু সি।
ইয়েস স্যার, বুঝেছি।
বুঝতে পেরেছো?
হ্যাঁ স্যার।
এইটাকে যদি রোল করে, একটা কাগজ, একটা ফোল্ড করে, একটা কাগজকে তুমি ফোল্ড করাও, ফোল্ড নট, রোল করাও, রোল করে একটার পর একটা আরেকটার উপর দিয়ে দাও, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড ওভারল্যাপ। দিস ইজ নট ওভারল্যাপ। বুঝা গেল? ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার? বুঝা গেছে? সো হিয়ার
Yes, sir.
go for V weld, here you will go for fillet weld. এবার fillet weld দেখো, let's see. fillet weld এ ওভার ল্যাপ জয়েন্টে কভার প্লেট হয় না, no cover plate used in the lap joint, and here is also fillet weld. এই সাইডটা দেখো যাও পুরো along the pipe and from the bottom. Even if the pipe diameter is very small, can you go for welding from this side? Internal is possible? Not possible. বুঝা গেল? এই ভিতর থেকে if you want to weld it, then you have to go inside. And the diameter is so less that you cannot go inside. So only one fillet weld is possible. That is the single fillet, and this is called the double fillet. Okay? Now, similar, if the pipe diameter is so small, we cannot go for the double V. Okay? Otherwise, you go for single V. Pipe diameter is large, then we can go for double V. It looks like this. Clear? I'll change the ink. No. এটা single V, double V. It looks like this. Clear? If the pipe is diameter large, then you can go for the double V. Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
If you visit, if sometime if you find in the power, not in the power station, the pumping station, who is nearby Moddamgram? Anybody is from nearby Moddamgram? Moddamgram or here that I told you, where in Khordha, near Khordha. Anybody is from near Khordha? Anybody is near from Khordha? Barakpur? Anybody? Can you hear me? All of you?
Yes, sir. We can hear you.
তোমরা কেউ have you ব্যারাকপুর গেছো? ব্যারাকপুর, খড়দা or মধ্যমগ্রাম? Okay, I'll tell you. If you get time, I'll tell you the location. In Khordha, very close to Khordha station, very close. Just if you go platform number 4, nearby platform number 4, you will find maybe it is 4 or 1, because which one is called 4 I do not know, but very beside towards Barakpur, very close to the last platform, there is called Britannia Engineering Ltd. Britannia Engineering Ltd. This is not the Britannia biscuit. Don't confuse with the Britannia biscuit. That is Britannia Engineering Limited. Okay, they manufacture the roller, road roller দেখেছো? পিচ দেওয়ার পরে
হ্যাঁ,
যেটাকে রোল করা হয়,
ইয়েস স্যার
হ্যাঁ, দ্যাট রোলারের দেখো বাইরের যে বড় চাকাটা থাকে, তোর 3টে চাকা থাকে তো, 3 হুইলস, 3 মেটালিক হুইলস।
Yes, sir.
ওই মেটালিক হুইলস কিন্তু মেড আপ অফ দ্য হাই থিকনেস শীট মেটাল। হাই থিকনেস শীট মেটালটাকে রোল করা হয় চাকার মতো, তারপর ওয়েল্ড করা হয়। ইজ ইট ক্লিয়ার? দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড ভি ওয়েল্ড। Double V they will manufacture. Is that clear?
Yes,
They
sir.
will have sheet metals like the high thickness. That thickness of this metallic would about 6 to 10 centimeter. That means about 3 inches. Okay, some of them about 3 inches. Okay, depending on the what type of roller you are using. If you have time, please visit that company. If you say I am from Jadavpur University, definitely they'll allow you. Okay. Another, I'll tell you, beside the Moddamgram station. Okay, Moddamgram overbridge. If you go from the what is called, that is Ichhapur, not Ichhapur, Shodhpur station. If you go from Shodhpur station towards Moddamgram, okay, just beside that station, that not beside, just before the station, if you cross the overbridge, that means railway overbridge, you need not to go up to the overbridge, but very nearer to the overbridge. If you go from Shodhpur station, or if you come from Moddamgram, okay, cross the overbridge, and beside that you will find on pump, okay, on pump industry, okay, that name, I forgot the name of this company. It's a very big company. They used to manufacture all this pumping, all this pump motor, okay, and big pipes, okay. So there you will find centrifugal pump, that pump, that is suction diameter is about 1 meter to 2 meter suction diameter, that you can imagine. So there you will find what type of sheet metal work is going on. There also find you the welding, submerged arc welding. Okay. That I told you, I forgot the name of this company. So if you got that location I told you, if you get time, and those who are very closer to that, please visit it. Not in pandemic time, when the virus will go off, then definitely I'll tell you how to visit and what to do, what to see. Okay. So visiting such type of company will give you the more exposure to the engineering part, not the technology part. Okay, all of you listen. If you go for some other country, if you go for Netherlands, if you go to Japan, if you go to France, these countries, the engineering is done mostly the industrial exposure. About 1.5 years or 2 years they have to go for the manufacturing section. Anyway, that I'll discuss some other day about this. Now, see, this is understood to all of you? P-weld and
Yes, sir.
P-weld?
yes sir
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay. Now I will come back to our main part about the arc welding. Okay. Okay. Now, how arc is formed? What is electric arc? Can you tell me, any one of you?
স্যার ওই অ্যাসিটিলিনটাকে যেটা
ওটা হাওয়াটা
হ্যাঁ
স্যার
বলো।
আয়নাইজ হয়ে যায় তো ইলেকট্রিসিটি প্রোভাইড করে।
Suppose if I put the two pole together, one is the minus and one is the plus. And there, if we make the high density electron, okay, what will happen? The electron will try to jump over there, okay. That is already known to you. If the distance is so close, তাহলে one arc will form. Or if you rub one after another, if you rub two electrodes, one is negative, positive, you will find the arc. Okay. And on flash, suppose you have seen the in the train also, on the overhead section of a train, which is touching a line, sometime it slips and you will find the arc. Okay, that is the high density of electron is passing from one point to another. That with the energy, that means the energy will come out with form of heat. Okay, now how this could be done? Now can you tell me one thing, where V equals to IR. Okay, V is the voltage, okay, and I is the current, isn't it? Now, what is H? Heat generation. It is I square RT, isn't it? Is it clear? Now, see, I have to generate some heat over here, so that part of it will be melting and will be joined together. Part of it, not whole. But I want the high heat energy, this energy. তাহলে আমাকে কি করতে হবে? I have to depend on these three quantities. Which to increase? Can you increase this? Can you increase this? If I increase the temperature, sometimes it is not possible to increase the temperature in the arc, that you cannot increase the temperature so high. But can you increase the resistance? Resistance can you increase? Okay, it has some limited, because you are using the metallic component, the resistance is very low, that all of you know. Now, so I have to depend on this I square part, okay, the square term. That means if I increase the current instead of voltage, that will high generation of heat if possible. Is it clear? So this is done by high current and low voltage. The voltage range is about 15 to 28, and current range is about 50 to 300, depending on the size. Okay, so it is high current, low voltage technique is being applied, so that more heat generation is possible. Okay, now I'll tell you the schematic of the welding machine. Look, suppose this is your, so this could be AC DC both AC and DC. AC DC both are possible to supply current. This is your work table. And consider this is a workpiece. I need to join this two. Okay. Now, and this is actually put on some table. On table that is put on. This is a table. This one is a table. These are the two, that is job 2, job 1, that will be joined together. that is called on welding machine. And that one is called, that one is, this one is the electrode. This is electrode, and this is the two jobs you will be welding. This is the welding. That, have you seen the video? That this kind of thing you have seen the video. That is AC. That is a voltage I told you, voltage and current that I told you. So that is about, you know, this voltage and current is known to it, so we can power supply. You can voltage and current if multiply, you will understand what is the power supply is required. Now, sorry. Now this is electrode. Electrode is like this. That is some holder is there, electrode holder, and that is the electrode. Electrode will have the circular cross section and having some thickness. That is the one small layer is called the cover layer, on cover layer, and inside that is on another material. Material is here, which is metallic material. This one is called the parent material, and material what is called the daughter material. Remember. Now, when you this electrode here, when you, this is AC machine I told you with high voltage, what will happen when the circuit is going to close? When this one is a high density electron, this one is positive, you can say. So what will happen? So this is phase, it's called a high density electron, this positive. What will happen? If you come very closer to this, if you touch it, nothing will happen. But if you come closer to this, arc will create. That you have seen. Have you visited any grill at your home or something, grill company? You have seen it.
Yes, sir.
You have seen the grill company, how they use it. If you come very close, how much close? About 1 mm to 0.5 mm. 1 mm to 5 mm, depending on if this supply is more than about 2 mm. If you come close, that flash will start. Flash will start means this flash temperature will rise about 200 degrees centigrade. At a 200 degrees centigrade পর্যন্ত flash temperature hote pare. So what will happen after this? This daughter material will melt. That temperature is enough to melt the daughter material of it. So on the daughter material is melted, and if you come very close to this, some portion of the parent material will also melt, and the material and parent material will go together and make the weld. Okay, and gradually you have to shift. Welding, it is manual work. This can be, you can use it with the hand. This can be using the manual work, you can weld it. That you have seen in the video. Now let me say about some precautionary measures. See, during the arc, what will happen? So I'll remove this. On plasma state will be there, so that plasma temperature is also very high. So look, it's two specimen. And here, what happened? Huge gas produced together, and this region of the electrode, and let me change this color. Here, this zone, this is at the high temperature zone. Here, this parent material will be partly melted, and also the daughter material will find it over here, and that is a gas zone. You'll find that is here. You will find a small zone. Here you will find the plasma state, plasma material plasma state that you know already. So this plasma state is formed. Then when it goes off, then this will solidify again. That makes the giant. Okay. So this gas is evolved, making, and another thing, using the that gas is not so poisonous. So here also during the flash, UV ray will be formed here. So you have to use some precautionary measures to, and this is very hotter zone. What are the safety? You have to use the hand gloves. You have to use the hand gloves to handle to hold this. You have to use the hand glove. You have to use mask to avoid the high gaseous formation that can have very bad smell. Some kind of very burning smell will find it, but if you use the mask, that could be reduced. And you have to use to prevent this. You have to use the glass. One glass cover is there. Okay, that you can use to prevent the UV ray. Okay, so that type of precaution, and you have to use a shoe. Without shoe, that laboratory will not be possible to enter, because any flash temper, that means on flash particle falls on your leg, that will be great damage to you. Now, can you tell me whether that current can you get shocked with the current? Anybody?
No, sir.
Is there any accident
No,
by the
sir.
current? Yes.
No,
Yes.
sir.
Tell me. Okay.
Low
let me know.
voltage হয় বোধহয়।
হ্যাঁ, low voltage তাহলে কি হবে?
So I think human body is capable of handling up to 50 volts.
Yes.
So if we use low voltage electricity, there is no risk.
Not 50 volt. 50 volt is very high. 50 voltage বাচ্চাদের ড্যামেজ করতে পারে, বড়দের ড্যামেজ করবে না।
স্যার 12 ভোল্ট ডিসি তো শক মারে, দেখেছি ভালো রকম শক মারে।
না, 12 ভোল্ট ডিসি শক মারে হালকা, ওটা কোনো ইয়ের মধ্যে না। তুমি যদি এই ধরো এই সোলার প্যানেলে হাত দাও, দ্যাট ইজ ভোল্টেজ ইজ কত 14-15 ভোল্টেজ থাকে। হ্যাঁ, ওদের কারেন্ট থাকে খুব বেশি। ওকে, সো দ্যাট ইজ অলসো নট শকেবল। এখানে how much voltage I told you about, maximum is about 28. Maximum voltage is about 28, or maximum current is about 300. If you multiply with this to this, that will get the power. Now dekho, see one thing. So this much of voltage, so there is small voltage below 50, that you are correct, below 50 normally will not get very hard. So there is no question of getting hard through that voltage, that is welding machine. There is no question. But DC voltage is required little bit higher. If you use the DC machine, that can go up to 50 voltage. Okay, and you can say, which one shall we go? Shall we go for DC or shall we go for AC? What is the difference? Any idea? What is the difference?
স্যার আমাদের তো সমস্ত সাপ্লাই তো এসিতে হয়, তো এসিটাই তো মানে ইউজ করা হয় জেনারেলি।
এসিটা কি তোমরা এইচএস এ শিখে এসছো? এসিটা কি
বলতে ওটা তো মানে
হ্যাঁ, গ্রাফটা যদি দেখো,
হ্যাঁ গ্রাফটা তো হচ্ছে মানে চেঞ্জ হবে, ডিরেকশন চেঞ্জ হয়।
হ্যাঁ, this is AC, okay, and DC is this. So there is a small fraction of moment you will find The here DC is the continuous, so we'll get the continuous oil with the DC. But DC will have, nowadays we are using in the mostly we are using the AC, not DC. DC to current the conversion is there. If you using, when you convert from one device to another, if you use the transformer, যখন electrical এটা তোমার পরে যদি কোর্স আছে ইলেকট্রিক্যাল কোর্স আছে তোমরা জানবে, if you use any converter there will be some loss of energy definitely. So if you use a transformer there will be loss of energy. If you use the transistor there will be loss of energy. Okay, if you use electrode the loss of energy. Anyway, that we will not discuss about this part. Now this is about welding section. Bolo, any question আছে so far? Any question? Any question so far? Anyone? Any question? Where is Noshkor? Noshkor?
Yes, sir.
হ্যাঁ বলো শুভ্র।
Yes, sir. Superiotor I have understood clearly.
বলছি কোনো কোশ্চেন আছে?
No, sir. আপাতত নেই।
Is that clear? তোমরা ভিডিওটা দেখেছো ভালো করে? All of you, Shayok, all of you seen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If there any question arises, please ask him in the next class. Next class will be the last class for your this. I'll discuss with you about both of them, about your fitting and welding, some overview and some worldwide utilization of it. Okay, definitely I'll bring some important thing for you that some of them may be outside of your syllabus. This is all about your syllabus so far discussed and you have seen the videos. Okay, now apart from this, if you have any question, okay, you can ask me in the next class also where you could not understand or could not follow. Okay, please this I am telling you, these 4 years will not come again in your life. If you commit some mistake, if you neglect something, that time will not come to you, because I am the victim of that. You can tell me that lot of things we just ignored. Just lack of interest, maybe the lack of interest. That time we are just like you. That time many of our students, like I'm not talking about the other students, many of our friends, okay, that now I am being a teacher, I can understand what type of gap I created, what I could do I did not do, what I could learn I could not learn. I have not shown any interest. Okay, that now being a teacher I can understand what I could do that time. Okay, but I asked you, please do not ignore. That time will not come to you. Okay, please any question from engineering background you can ask me any question. Okay, that may not be in your course what I have taught to you, just listen to you. Okay, but anything in any type of engineering, even in modern engineering, even in mega engineering, I will give an example. Suppose if India plans to do a tunnel through Andaman to Chennai, about 1200 kilometer range, that is called the mega engineering. Okay, nowadays you know that is on transport system is being done beside the Ganga river. Okay, that you are already know, that work is going on. So that are called the mega engineering. Okay, so lot of things are involved. That is completely mechanical oriented. All this I told you, mechanical engineers are rough and tough. They can do anything, any type of job, even in electrical job, even in some other chemical job. You could be handling all of this. Okay, you are lucky enough to being the part of mechanical engineer. You are learning so important, but unlucky is that you are not attending. We are not having offline classes. Okay, if offline classes was over there, then definitely I could share lot of things to you. But you are somewhat unfortunate to that. But I hope so. Probably next year I will meet all of you. Okay, being a mechanical engineer, I am telling you that time will not come to you. Please, and definitely some of you will come in place of us. Definitely, some of you will go for the academician. There's a lot of things. Our brain is having enormous capacity. I'm telling you. So lot of things you can input. So please do not ignore. That time will not come to you. Nobody will provide that type of platform or situation. Even if you go for industry, you will find very small amount of that what you have learned is being used over there. Okay, so but you have to learn lot of things. So what else to tell? So shall I stop it now for today?
স্যার
বলো।
টপিক বইয়ের মতো কোশ্চেন আছে স্যার।
হ্যাঁ বলো।
বলছি যে আমাদের তো মানে এই প্রত্যেক সেমিস্টার শুনছিলাম 4 মাস ম্যাক্সিমাম 4.5 মাস হয়, তো প্রত্যেক ইয়ার থেকে তো প্রায় দেখতে পাচ্ছি 3 মাস করে বাদ যাচ্ছে। তো মানে আমাদের তাহলে মানে একাডেমিক ইয়ারটা কিভাবে তৈরি করে, টাইম গুলো যায় কোথায়? যেমন ধরুন স্যার আমরা এই সেমিস্টারটা দিচ্ছি 2 মাস 25 দিনে।
দাঁড়াও, let me very good question. See, your semester starts event semester or odd semester starts from July. First week of July is normal time, not about the COVID situation is late. In July, it is July to November. It is starting from July to November, first semester. When you have seen it that you are late because of the COVID. July to November. November 15, November 20 is everything will be over. December is the winter vacation, full December. When it is then again it start from January. That means that semester is very long. Okay, that July, August, September, October. Okay, so 4 months you'll get. November will go for the class test and your semester exam. Okay, so by 20th November everything will go over, or 25th November. Now it starts from the July first week or second week normally. Now again December, that is the winter vacation. Then it starts from the first week of January. Okay, January, February, March. Okay, this is very short span. January, February, March. April we have to go for the exam. April 25th everything will go over. Okay, that means within 4 months you have to over. April, May, June, that this 2 months is completely summer vacation. Okay, completely summer vacation. See, the continuous life. Suppose you are away home, mostly those who are hostelites, you have to be in the hostel for a long time. Definitely, if suppose you are studying at Bombay IIT, what you would do? You will your mind will be always fluctuating. When I will get time, I will go to Kolkata. I will go home. So only the December time, 1 month, and another 2 months is there in the summer vacation. Is the very big time.
2 মাস পুরো সামার ভ্যাকেশন থাকে?
হ্যাঁ 2 মাস পুরো। এইবার এই 2 মাসে আরেকটা কাজ হয়। those who will fail, যারা ফেল করে তখন একটা সামার কোর্স করে। ওই কোর্সটাকে কোন সব ফেল করলে তার একটা সুযোগ থাকে ওই সামার ভ্যাকেশনটা নষ্ট করে সেটা আমাদের স্টাডি করে একটা পরীক্ষা দিয়ে পাস করে যেতে পারে। বুঝা গেল? তো তোমাদের কি রিল্যাক্সেশন দরকার না?
স্যার মানে এখন যা অবস্থা আমাদের হয়েছে, তো মানে কি বলবো, মানে প্রেসারটা মানে হ্যান্ডেল করা যাচ্ছে না। মানে আমাদের মেকানিক্যালে যারা রয়েছে আর কি, দুটো সেকশন মিলে যে সমস্ত স্টুডেন্ট বন্ধুদের সাথে কথা হয় প্রত্যেকদিন, তারাই বলে যে স্যার মানে আমার নিজের ক্ষেত্রে প্রেসারটা হ্যান্ডেল করা স্যার অসম্ভব হয়ে উঠছে এখন। মানে এত পরিমাণে চাপ আসছে, এতটাই চাপ আসছে। স্যার আমরা এই সেমিস্টারটা আমাদের শেষ হবে না, একদিন পর থেকে ক্লাস শুরু হবে না। তো স্যার আমরা তো মানে কি বলবো, একটা তো মানে মানুষ তো স্যার একটু তো মানে রিল্যাক্সের দরকার পড়ে। প্রথম
ও,
সেমিস্টার
দাঁড়া,
সেকেন্ড সেমিস্টারের ক্লাস।
হ্যাঁ, কোভিড এর জন্য এটা হয়েছে, এই টাইমটাকে ধীরে ধীরে ক্লোজ করা হচ্ছে।
স্যার এই জিনিসটা তো মানে তবু তো স্যার মানে আমাদের এই জিনিসটা ইয়ে হয়েছে, আপনি তো মানছেন, কিছু মানে কয়েকজন স্যার আছেন যারা তো এটা মানতেও চান না যে আমরা কোনো কম টাইম পাচ্ছি বা আমাদের হচ্ছে কোনো প্রেশার পড়ছে, মানে এটা কিছু কোনো টিচার মানতেও চায় না, বেশ কিছু টিচার আছে।
না না না, সেরকম আছে কিছু টিচার, না টিচারদের চাকো ওরকম বলো না। হ্যাঁ, টিচার অলওয়েজ ইউ আর লাইক our not student, our sons and daughters. Okay, that I feel, but we have some guideline also. আমাদের তো কিছু একটা কোর্সটা কমপ্লিট করতে, আমি if I lack something, if I do not complete the work, then you will say, sir, this is not understood, this is that sir is not done, entire thing, syllabus is not covered, that portion is left out. Okay, if you are
মানে 4টে সেমিস্টার পরে আমরা ওই গরমের ছুটি পাবো, মানে এমন একটা পরিস্থিতি হয়ে গিয়েছে।
I'll tell you one thing, তুমি
কলেজ কবে খুলবে?
প্রেসারটা ফিল করছো মানে ইউ আর লার্নিং সামথিং। ইফ ইউ আর ফেসিং প্রেসার, অলওয়েজ মনে রাখবে তোমরা কিন্তু শিখছো, এটা কিন্তু মাথায় রেখো। তোমার যদি পড়াশোনার প্রেসারটা থাকে, এটা তুমি মাথায় রেখো, তুমি শিখছো। তোমার প্রেসার না থাকলে তুমি ভালো শিখছো না, এটা আমার কমেন্ট। আর কিছু? Jagdish Shah, that we were having some question.
বলছিলাম স্যার কলেজ কবে খুলবে?
College is always open. I used to go thrice in a week. Okay, if someone of you are very close to the university, then you can visit sometime. Okay, Jagdish, you are close to university?
নো স্যার, আমার ঝাড়গ্রামে বাড়ি।
আমার বাড়ি কাছেই, মানে ওই আমার স্যার
বারুইপুরও অনেকটা দূরে, তুমি আসবে কি করে?
আমি ভোর 5টায় বেরালে ওখানে যাদবপুরে পৌঁছেই একটা।
আমার ট্রেন ধরলে 8 ঘন্টা লাগে, ওই 8 ঘন্টার মধ্যে।
ট্রেন তো এখন বন্ধ, ট্রেন তো
ওটাই প্রবলেম, ট্রেনটা বন্ধ বলেই প্রবলেম।
যারা ধরো সন্তোষপুর যাদবপুর এরিয়া কেউ আছে কিনা, তাহলে তারা ভিজিট করতে পারবে। ঠিক আছে, if যদি time permits, then some of you I can allow to come and see. তোমরা এখন তো ইউনিভার্সিটি আছে
পরবর্তী সেমিস্টারে?
হ্যাঁ
বলছি আপনার ক্লাস কি পরবর্তী সেমিস্টারগুলোতে আছে?
আমার ক্লাসে আমার সেকেন্ড ইয়ার একটা ক্লাস পেতেও পারো, নাও পেতে পারো, তাহলে ফোর্থ ইয়ারে পাবে। ইন ফোর্থ ইয়ার মেশিন ডিজাইন 4 অ্যাডভান্স মেশিন ডিজাইন নাও। অ্যাডভান্স সেটা আবার সবাই নেবে না, অ্যাডভান্স অনার্স কোর্স তারাই শুধু পাবে। এবার দেখলাম আউট অফ 120 স্টুডেন্টস কজন নিয়েছে? 20 জন না 25 জন ওই কোর্সটা নিয়েছে, অনার্স কোর্স। এটা একটু টাফ, দ্যাট কোর্স ইজ লিটল টাফার দ্যান আদার কোর্সেস, মেশিন ডিজাইন 4। ওকে, মানে ইট ইজ নট টাফ ইফ ইউ এনিথিং। ওকে, এটা শুনে গেল ওটা